Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA 2.1 GLA220d AMG Line, Premium Automatic. Sitting on 19 AMG alloy wheels, this GLA boasts a high riding stance with aerodynamic lines. Roof rails add practicality, while the electric folding mirrors and sleek 5-door design provide everyday convenience. At the rear, the LED taillights, sporty rear bumper, and twin exhaust tips create a powerful presence. The electric-powered tailgate ensures effortless access to the boot, while the reverse camera and parking sensors make maneuvering simple. Powered by a 2.1-liter diesel engine, the GLA220d delivers an excellent balance of power and efficiency. The 7G-DCT automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive provides smooth acceleration and superior handling in all conditions. Step inside to experience AMG sport seats with Half Leather-Alcantara upholstery, a flat-bottom leather steering wheel, and ambient lighting for a premium feel. The infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth audio, and navigation, ensuring seamless connectivity. The heated front seats and cruise control enhance driving comfort. The spacious rear seats offer ample headroom and legroom, providing a comfortable ride for passengers. The split folding seats allow for increased flexibility and extra storage space. With a generous boot capacity, the GLA is perfect for everyday practicality. The electric-powered tailgate ensures easy loading and unloading. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration KT66ESO to book a test drive or request a video tour.